Today we're using the Magnetic Declination Interactive Calculator, which converts between true and magnetic bearings for accurate navigation. This calculator has 5 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu: true bearing to magnetic bearing to true bearing, project future declination, grid bearing to true bearing, and declination correction for distance. For this demonstration, I'm using true bearing to magnetic bearing mode. The input fields include true bearing in degrees, which accepts values from 0 to 360. There's magnetic bearing in degrees with the same range. Grid bearing in degrees is also available. Declination in degrees accepts positive values for east or negative for west. Annual change in degrees per year tracks how declination shifts over time. Years from reference calculates future declination values. Grid convergence in degrees accounts for map projection differences, and distance in kilometers helps calculate lateral navigation errors. After entering your values and clicking Calculate, the Results section displays your converted bearing value, any necessary corrections, projected declination changes, total angular change, and lateral error distances. These outputs help ensure your navigation remains accurate whether you're surveying, flying, or conducting field operations. Find the link in the description below.